This video is the expert level 5x5 last for edge series. It's now more about knowing specific cases, what to do when you find them, and having really good look ahead so you can cancel into specific things like slice and specific cycles, which are in those specific cases which are normally in last 3 edges, and also in last 2 edges, knowing all last 2 edge algorithms for parity and non-parity cases, which I will show a few of them, and I will link a last 2 edge algorithm sheet in the description. Okay, those special cases happen when you don't have parity. For example, here 2 edges are flipped, or need to get flipped here with slice, and one doesn't. So what you do is take this edge out and do a combination of slice and cycle. Take the edge out that doesn't have the slice case. So then you slice those outer rings together, flip, and then replace. Now what happens when one of those edges is flipped? You just do the same, but this time you only do the middle slice, like this. You flip, and then you slice, then you flip, then you slice back, and then you slice back again. Now let's say they're flipped at the top again, then you just take this edge out again, do the middle slice, flip, slice, and slice back. The other case involves, once again, not parity, but this time those edges are connected, and then you should make it so the outer rings that need to get swapped on different layers, and then you just slice them to the middle edge of the slice case here, like this, flip, and slice back. Once again here, now it's in the middle, you slice them together and slice back. It went on the left, then you just slice them together like this and slice back. So what happens when one of those edges is flipped? What you can do is either this, which flips one edge, or which flips both edges, or you can do an R2, but then your cross gets destroyed and you need to fix it again. So I would just do the first option that I showed you. That's also the case that the flipped edge here is on the left side. So you could also do an F2 again. But what's in my opinion better is flip this one into the diagonal slot, like this, and continue. Also something which I try to implement is when you have this non-parity case, but they are in opposite corners or edge slots. What you do is do your Y2, then swap them like this, and slice back. So first it's building on what I already showed you in my first video for last two edges on 5x5. And now we just use our Lookahead to do cancellations. For example, here we see this is the last edge of my middle 4 edges basically, and this is the edge I will replace it with. So when we look around the cube, we see here's the blue and red middle edge, and here we have 2 combined blue and yellow pieces, and here's the other blue and yellow piece. And also here is orange, not orange. Here is green and red. Here's green and red that are same orientation, and here's also green and red. So what's best to do now is using blue and red first to cancel into slice. Okay, so you see, when you slice back this one with a UY2 prime, they get connected in a slice case, which means that when you insert this edge on the same layer as the other outer ring, then you can cancel and slice. So just do that. Then you slice back like this, and then do slice, or just flip and slice back. So now you cancelled a slice and are already on your middle 3 edges. I mean last 3 edges. And what we saw before with blue and yellow is that they're already in the same orientation, which are here in the back. So we take this edge out, we place it here, and now we have this last edge algorithm, which is just this one. Okay, so next example we have 2 very good options. Here we don't see a lot of things, but here we see a slice opportunity with green and yellow, because when we put in this edge with the green and yellow piece here, this green and yellow piece will get connected to the middle edge, and then we have a slice case because the outer rings are on the same layer. But we also have a very nice case here, because they are already connected, and conveniently the blue and orange outer ring is here, which is 2 slots away, and the middle slice is also 2 slots away, so we can cancel into slice. So like this, we slice back, and then we flip this one and slice back, and now we have this solved. And we also looked at into this piece here, so I do this and then cancel into slice. So the next case is also really easy, because as you can see here with blue and yellow, we can cancel slice because those rings are on different layers. So when we insert this edge with the yellow sticker to the right, like this, and slice back, like this, and flip now, this edge gets solved, and which is very lucky, the green yellow edge is also solved, and then we have the slice. Okay, so in this case we obviously see green. We see orange and yellow, and when we slice back, this orange and yellow piece, which is very easy to see because there's no other yellow piece here, so it must be the one of orange and yellow. When we slice back, those get combined, so we have a cycle case here. So take this edge out, and now when we slice back like this, we can do an F2 to combine these pieces, which is one of those M-permuted M-case that I showed in the last video, but this time it's a cancellation. So when we do an F2, slice back, an F2, this edge gets solved, and then we have slice. Okay, so in this example, we see here blue and yellow, all 3 pieces, and because this blue sticker is here, and the other blue piece, middle edge, is here, we also know that this is the other blue and yellow edge, which is very nice to look at, because then we can immediately start the cycle, because this piece will end up here, this piece here, and this piece will start here. So we take this edge out, and then we slice them together, and when we notice here the slice, it gets always set up. So when we slice back, we can flip this edge, and we notice the sticker here. When we do another slice like this, we have this parity case. Okay, so in this case it's very easy to look at, because we always see all 3 pieces of blue and yellow here, and when we slice back and put this edge in the same orientation, the orange and yellow piece will get combined with this middle edge and end up in this position, and this piece will end up here. So we take this edge out, because it's easier to look at when we take a back edge out, and we see here that this edge is solved. So we take the front left edge out, and notice the orientation of those outer rings, which means we can cancel slice like this, and it's done.